At least every 2 or 3 days, some of the food plants should be replaced and the container cleaned. To do this, remove the plants on which the fewest caterpillars are. Individual leaves with caterpillars can be torn off them. After that, one puts in the fresh feeding plants. The kitchen paper should be renewed to avoid moisture. Molds, which otherwise appear, can be dangerous to caterpillars. In the end, all the caterpillars are returned and they can again eat to their heart's content.